Hello, I am Supratim Shubhra Das, Assistant Professor of Molecular Institute of Technology. I will give you a short talk on nanotechnology. My talk will cover basic concepts of nanotechnology, history of discovery and future applications briefly. Nanotechnology gives you an understanding of certain phenomenon in device when its dimensions are roughly between 1 to 100 nanometer. This term was first introduced by Tokyo University of Science Professor Norio Taniguchi, who states as follows: nanotechnology mainly consists of the processing of separation, consolidation and deformation of materials by one atom or by one molecule. Carbon nanotubes have been discovered in 1991. It is considered to be a nano device. It consists of a round molecule having 60 atoms of carbon. Nanotechnology seems to be an emerging field in all areas of science, engineering and technology. Now I would like to describe few fundamental concepts of nanotechnology. First of all, it brings larger to smaller dimension of the device. It brings simpler to complex structure of the device. It also brings a concept of molecular nanotechnology, which is associated with the molecular assembler, a machine that can produce a desired structure or device atom by atom using the principles of mechanosynthesis. The nanomaterials field includes subfields which develop or study materials having unique properties arising from their nanoscale dimensions. Interface and colloid science has given rise to many materials which may be useful in nanotechnology, such as carbon nanotubes, various nanoparticles and nanorods. Nanoscale materials can also be used for many applications. Most present commercial applications of nanotechnology are of this flavor. These materials are sometimes used in solar cells, medical application, display technology, biological imaging or in any next generation products. Some consumer products which are using nanotechnology are computer hardware, display devices, mobile and communication products, audio products, camera and films. Nanotechnology is continually playing vital role to improve the capability of electronic products. The technology also made the devices very light, making the product easy to carry or move, and at the same time it has reduced the power requirement. To summarize, we can say that no one exactly knows the future of nanotechnology for sure. History shows that science and technology impact society, but there is no way to predict what new scientific discoveries are next and how technology will be used. Thank you.